Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay your Citibank credit card bills using Unionbank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website. So go to citi.com right here. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and once you have opened it up, it's going to look like this. So this is going to be the main page from where we can get started with accessing everything we need within the bank. But first thing we need to do and can do is to log in. So what you want to do is log into your Citibank account. If you do not already have a Citibank account, what you can do is go ahead and activate one if you're already a part of the bank. If not, you can go ahead and register for an account. So once you got your account, log in, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where you can take a look at all your balance, payments, and so on. And now we can get started paying our bills. So now what we can do is follow the steps right here. So basically guys, we are going to go and be able to make online payments via Unionbank for our Citibank credit card bill. But how? Well, first from here directly from the Citibank website, you're going to get your credit card bill info, such as the due amount that you have to pay, info, a routing number, and so on. All that is going to be available. So what you want to do after that is go to Unionbank. On the Unionbank, do the follow steps just like you did on Citibank. Log into your account of Unionbank, after which you can get started paying. So once you're logged in, you can go ahead into the payment section, get started paying your bills, just entering the information that you have gotten from the payment section right here of Citibank for your credit card bills. So just follow the steps right there. You can even go ahead and follow the article on the official Unionbank website if you need any more steps and help and take a look at how it all works. But it's a simple process. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.